Hey, I'm Christina with JSB Home Solutions. Remodeling a small kitchen can feel overwhelming. Tight space, tight budget, and big decisions. But here's the good news. With smart planning, even the smallest kitchens can deliver a huge impact. In this video, we'll cover the average cost of a small kitchen remodel, the biggest factors that affect price, where you can save, and where it's worth spending a little more. And just so you know, this information is helpful no matter who you work with. While you're here, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and drop a comment with your top kitchen headache. We'd love to help. Let's start with the numbers. The average small kitchen remodel costs between $20,000 and $30,000. On the lower end of that range, you might see stock cabinets, laminate countertops, and vinyl flooring. On the higher end, you're looking at semi-custom cabinets, quartz or butcher block counters, upgraded lighting, and new fixtures. If you go all out with premium materials and major layout changes, the price can climb higher. But for most homeowners, that $20,000 to $30,000 range is a realistic starting point. Cabinets usually eat up the largest portion of your budget. Stock cabinets are the most affordable option, but semi-custom gives you more flexibility and better quality. Full custom, like the Amish cabinetry we offer, can easily push past $15,000. If your layout works, refacing your cabinets is another option, typically between $4,000 and $9,000, and it completely transforms the look without replacing everything. Countertops are another big cost driver. Laminate is the most budget-friendly. Butcher block adds warmth and character. Quartz and granite are the top tier, both for durability and style. For a small kitchen, expect countertop costs anywhere from $800 to $4,500 installed. Appliances can make or break your budget. Keeping your existing set saves thousands. A new appliance suite typically runs $3,500 to $6,000, while high-end models can jump well past $7,000 or $8,000. Flooring and lighting can also add up. Luxury vinyl is durable and cost-effective. Tile and engineered hardwood are more expensive, but they offer a classic look. Better lighting, whether recessed, pendant, or under cabinet, can completely change the feel of your kitchen and typically falls in the $300 to $1,500 range. And finally, layout changes. Keeping your layout the same saves you the most. Moving a sink or stove might add $1,000 or $2,000. But if you're knocking down walls or rerouting plumbing and electrical, those costs can climb to $10,000 or more. Look, remodeling a kitchen is not like painting a bedroom. You're dealing with plumbing, electrical, and structural safety. DIY might seem cheaper up front, but if something goes wrong, the cost to fix mistakes can outweigh what you saved. We actually made a whole video called "Is DIY Right for You?" where we go deeper into this decision. I'll link it here if you want to explore whether rolling up your sleeves is the right move, or whether hiring a pro will save you stress and money in the long run. So where can you keep costs down? The easiest way is to stick with your existing layout. That alone can save thousands. Keeping your appliances, if they're still in good shape, is another big win. Choosing practical, cost-effective materials like quality vinyl for flooring or simple recessed lighting helps too. And if you're comfortable with a little hands-on work, you could sometimes handle the demo yourself. Just make sure to talk to your contractor first so you don't remove something they need. Now let's talk about where it's worth spending a little more. Cabinets are at the top of that list. They take daily abuse and set the tone for your entire kitchen. If you want them to last, investing in quality pays off. And if you don't want the price tag of a full replacement, cabinet refacing is an excellent way to refresh your space. We actually have another video called "What Makes a Quality Kitchen Cabinet" that explains exactly what to look for, and it's a great resource before you make that decision. Countertops are another smart splurge if you cook often. Durable options like quartz or granite give you both beauty and long-term value. And don't skimp on professional labor. Having skilled installers means everything is done safely, correctly, and backed by a warranty. And finally, details like hardware, faucets, and lighting are small splurges that elevate the whole design. So here's the bottom line. A small kitchen remodel in 2025 will likely cost between $20,000 and $30,000. The exact number depends on your cabinets, countertops, appliances, flooring, lighting, and whether you're keeping the same layout or making big changes. But by knowing where to save and where to splurge, you can create a kitchen that's both functional and beautiful without blowing your budget. Smart choices today lead to a home you'll love tomorrow. Thanks for watching, and always remember to dream big, remodel smart.